In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort on a Confluence table. Sorting your table data can make a huge difference when you're trying to quickly find information, compare values, or clean up a long list. In Confluence, the sorting feature is built right into the table itself, so once you know where to click, it becomes a very simple and efficient habit. First, make sure you're on the Confluence page that contains the table you want to work with, and that you're in edit mode if necessary. Move your mouse over the table and look toward the top left area of the table. You'll see a small handle made up of 6 dots. This 6-dot icon appears just above the table line and is basically the control point for that entire table. Hover over that handle until it becomes clearly visible, then click on it. This tells Confluence that you want to adjust something about the table as a whole. If you don't see the 6 dots at first, try moving your cursor slowly along the top edge of the table. Sometimes it only appears when your mouse is in just the right spot, especially if you have a lot of content on the page. Once you've clicked the 6-dot handle, look for the sorting options. Confluence will offer you choices such as sorting in increasing order or decreasing order. Sort increasing usually means sorting from smallest to largest or from A to Z for text, and from earlier to later for dates. Sort decreasing is the opposite, from largest to smallest, from Z to A, or from later to earlier. Click on Sort Increasing if you want to bring lower numbers, earlier dates, or items starting with A toward the top of the table. This is great for things like alphabetical lists of names or ascending lists of IDs or task numbers. If you need to flip the order, simply click again and choose Sort Decreasing to reverse it. After you apply the sort, scan your table to make sure the rows are arranged the way you expect. Remember that sorting will rearrange the entire row, not just a single column, so all the information in that row stays together. That's all you need to do. By using the 6-dot handle and the sort, increasing, or decreasing options, you can very quickly organize any Confluence table and keep your pages clear and easy to read.